Hi everybody, my name is Liz Blandino and my partner name is Josequinha. We are going to talk about part 1 and part 2. In the part 1 we have extensive reading. What is extensive reading? Reading a lot, many books in a semester, choosing books that you want to read, reading as fast or as slow as you want, not having any test on your reading. Why is extensive reading important? Extensive reading will help you read faster and understand better, learn new words, write better, and learn about the world. Unit 1 called New Vocabulary in Your Reading. When you read stories or books, you will find new words. You can follow these guidelines for dealing with new vocabulary in your reading. Number 1, don't stop to look up many new words in the dictionary. Number 2, try to use the other words and sentences in the story to help you guess the general meaning of words you don't know. In Unit 2, you will learn about two types of reading material, fiction and non-fiction. What is fiction? Fictional stories or books are about people and events that are not real. There are two kinds of fiction: realistic stories about people and places today and in the past, and fantastic stories about a real world and the world in the future. What is non-fiction? Non-fiction is about real people, places and things. For example, history, science, psychology, travel, nature, a person's biography, or other real-life subject. In non-fiction books, the writer gives facts and information that he or she says are true. Unit 3, Books. 1. Choosing the right book. First of all, you should choose a book that interests you. Read the title, back cover and the first page, and check the level of the book. 2. Getting the most from your reading. Read for at least 30 minutes every day. Don't stop to look up new words and look up useful words. 3. Talking about your books through book conferences about questions of the book, reading circles about a small group of students, and book talks. You talk to the class about your book. 4. Writing about your books through book reports about questions onto a separate piece of paper. Part 2, Vocabulary Building. Unit 1, Guidelines for Learning Vocabulary. You can make a good use of the dictionary and learn the pronunciation. You can read better and faster if you know how words sounds, spelling, and part of speech of new words. If the word is verb, noun, pronoun, adjective, adverb, learn the different meanings and how to use the words. You can study vocabulary often. Use a vocabulary notebook and study cards to help you learn and review new words. Unit 2, Learning new words from your reading. Choosing words to learn. The rules for choosing words are simple. Learn the words that are used most often and the words that will be useful for you. There are some guidelines for choosing words from your reading. 1. Read the passage to the end and don't stop to look up new words. Read the passage again and underline new words. Look for the new words in the appendix. If you don't find a word on the list, think about the word. Is it useful? If so, circle the word. And 5, look up all the circled words in the dictionary.
Okay, as my partner introduced me, my name is Josue Quiña, and I'm going to explain you the part 2, and I'm going to give you a little tutorial about that. Okay, in this part we're going to talk about guessing meaning from context, word parts, how words are used together, and how words work in sentences. Okay, for guessing meaning from context, first we have to know what is a context. It is the sentence or sentences around the world, and that is so helpful for to guess the meaning of a word. What the context is so important to guess a word, and finally, to guess the meaning of a phrase, we can guess about the topic about the word. What is the main topic of that phrase? And next, word parts. Words are often made for different parts. The root is the most important parts, and that is the words could be added a prefix or a suffix. And what is a suffix? Is a part add before the root, and suffix is a part add after the root. For example, prefix plus pleasant, it forms the word unpleasant, and finally the suffix li, pleasant plus li, forms the word pleasantly. Okay, as I said before, prefix is always before the root, and it could change the meaning of the word. For example, unpleasant. Here we have more examples of prefixes: this, in, non, and Next, word families is a group of words with the same root, but it belongs to the same family of the meaning, but it has the different part of speech. For example, wonder, wonderful, and wonderfully. Okay, as we can see here, wonder could be noun and verb, but if we add the prefix wonderful, the prefix full and fully, it can change that from the verb or etc. adjective or an adverb. That it could to identify that we need to know what is the context. Okay. Next topic is how words are used together. Okay, for start with that, we have the common type of phrases. To know that, we need to know which word is the definition, or what word is that. For example, verb, adjective, or pronouns or prepositions form that phrases. For example, verb plus adjective plus noun, verb plus adjective plus adverb. For example, in that case we have please leave me alone in that phrase. In that case we have leave verb plus me alone, adjective and adverb. And here we have a lot of common types of phrases, but to know that, as I said before, we need to know what is that word. Okay, for choose phrases to learn, before to do that, we need to learn a lot of groups of words. We need to ask these questions. Is it a phrase? Are the words often used together? Do they have a special meaning when they are used together? And finally, if it is a phrase, is it common? To know that, we need to look to the Learner's Dictionary if this phrase is in the dictionary, is common. But if that phrase is not in the dictionary, is not common. Okay, how words work in sentences. So we have 3 parts. Find the key parts of sentences, understand the reference of pronouns, and recognize the words and phrases that refer to the same thing. Okay, now the key parts of sentences. Here we have the 2 parts, what are the subject and the verbs. And always subject goes next to a verb, and vice versa. For example, the subject is it could be a person, an animal, or a place, and verb tell what the subject does. It could be in the present, past, or future. Okay, as I said before, we have to know what word are looking at. For example, here we have a pronouns. The pronouns are to take a place of a noun or a noun phrase, and it could be a subject, an object, and a possessive adjective, and more. We will to look in the next slide on a chart. For example, if we have a pronoun of the subject, here we have in the phrase in that sentences. Do you know where John is? Is he is the pronoun as subject on vacation. On the other example, is he on vacation? I really need to get hold of him. Him is the pronoun in the object as object. Sorry, and finally possessive adjective. My to know what is a pronoun possessive like adjective. Here is the chart. We have a lot of types of pronouns. Here we have personal, demonstrative, interrogative, relative, indefinitive, reflexive and intensive, and reciprocal. But the most common and the more used are demonstrative, personal, and relative. That are the most used. And finally, we have the synonyms. So, to identify a synonym, we have to look first what is a synonym. Is a word or phrase that has a similar or the same meaning of another word. For example, little, small, store, shop, etc. And also synonyms could be from the general to a specific or specific to from the general. From the specific to general. For example, animal like cat, like the race siamese, and finally the specific macaque Lulu. And on the other hand, or on the other example, we have business, is a store, like supermarket, and more specific, Joe's Market. Thank you.